Let's talk about RISE, Reimagining School Education. The idea behind RISE is to create a vibrant platform with diverse thoughts and ideas. Sustainability has been a focal point at a micro as well as a macro level. And hence we thought, let's get together and ideate around different aspects of learning. Getting children to experience SDGs in action through culture, language, food, financial literacy, climate literacy, wellness, art and heritage have all been included in RISE to give an experiential meaning to sustainability. So we are trying to create a vibrant community that discusses and shares meaningful tips and ideas to empower the teaching learning experiences. RISE 2023 is revolving around the theme of building global citizenship in Indian classrooms and is closely looking into the role of neurosciences in education. We are very excited to see how senior experts and resource people have got together to make RISE a super success. We look forward to everyone from parents, teachers, children, NGOs, experts in the field of education, volunteers, and pretty much anyone who has anything to do with a child's learning to come and be a part of RISE.